Ka Meghalaya kalalong ka jela ka bapaw ka jingmang pisa na kabenta ka kot ka kya. Da ka ba IT hadu kendai na ka shispa na ka jing pelut barok ka way siya ka ni kabenta. Umentri rang ba ka jela u konret ke sangma ha ka por bapli ka Apollo Trinity Medical Center Halowa Nongrum Hills Geelong. Ula banjur ya ka jingshim kya jong ka jela ban pen kelai ka rukom sumar pang ka bakentup ka jing petrekam de ki kor ki bori ki nongpang ka basdang Hari Boy District. Kajela katmu bantau ke digital system na kabenta baro lai pupra lakngut kinong song ban pen bahai ke jing ai jing sumar bat nakaliang u chief secretary ke jela ba DP Watlang ula pen pau halor ke jing job jong ka MHIS ka bakentup lang ye ki OPD ba ula kindu ban penrung adhar na kabenta ban yo ye jimetoy kajela kala sakiru ke jing kiu ka bakrau ki lat jing sumar jongka da ka jing mi ki jaka sumar jong ka Shillong ba Dura Medical College.
Spends more than 8%, almost 9% of our expenditure of our overall budget. So, our budget is on healthcare, and that makes us the number one, in the country to spend the maximum amount percentage of the budget on healthcare. So, this is reflective of the commitment that we have towards health and improvement of the health sector. We are now going to be creating an online system where the entire patient record, OPD, everything will be available to the doctor at any given time. That means the history of the patient.
In Meghalaya, under MHIS, it also covers OPD. So those who come here also, if it is a panel, will be taken care of by the government. My request is that, the government is taking care up to 30,000 per annum for OPD. That is up to 30,000 expenditure will be taken care of. The government is giving 30,000 each and everyone, but you just need to avail a facility. And what is needed basically is that you have to register for the MHIS, Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme, and you have to have an Aadhaar card.